UYOHANE 15 verse 5 uthi, Ndim umdiliya wenyaniso, nina ningamasebe, ohlala emanyene nam, ndibe mna ndihleli ndimanyene naye, uyakuvelisa iziqhamo ezininzi. Kaloku aninakwenza nento le nahlukene nam. Inamandla le verse and it's encouraging. uYesu uthi, I am the vine, you are the branches. Ithetha ukuthi loo nto, we are not the source of our own strength. We don't have to try to hold it all together by ourselves. We don't have to figure out life alone. Because uthi, he is the vine, we are just the branches. And the branch does not have to struggle to produce fruit if it's connected. You just need to stay connected to Jesus Christ. Uthi uJesus, whoever abides in me and I in him will bear fruit. Londo ithetha ukuthi you just need to stay close to him. If you lean to him, if you walk with him day by day, your life will bear fruit. Ubomi bakho buya kuvelisa iziqhamo. Not because you're perfect, not because you tried harder, but because his life is flowing through you. It means then patience will flow, love will flow, joy will flow, purpose will flow. And people around you will taste the fruit and know there is something different about you. But listen, apart from me, you can do nothing. Without Jesus, we dry up. Without Jesus, we burn out. Without Jesus, we break down. But with Jesus, we rise up. With Jesus, you bear fruit in season. With Jesus, you stay strong when the storm comes. With Jesus, you walk in peace that make no sense to the world. So today, ndiyanikhuthaza that you just need to stay connected to the vine. Abide in him, talk to him, trust him, lean into his word, because the life you are looking for is not found in striving. It is found in staying close to Jesus. Just stay connected to him and watch what God will grow in you. Just stay connected. Uyakuvelisa iziqhamo in season.